I'm making a seat and trying to pull the engine back together.
Yeah, Johnny's got his chopper here. We've been working on it.
And I'm going to hook up the kill switch too at the same time.
We've been working on it non-stop. Well, he's been working on it. And he's got it painted. He has the engine plate installed.
Chain hooked up.
Chains all hooked up. We've been working on the seat. We got to still finish that up, but it's pretty much cut out and ready. That's how it's going to look. We're going to make it look real good. He still doesn't have a hand throttle. We still got to figure out a gas tank.
I am ordering a hand throttle tonight.
He's ordering a hand throttle tonight. So
I'm buying two.
yeah. So
And a brand new Bakuni carburetor for my green mini, but I got the wreck yet.
yeah, he don't want to ride it with that other
Nope.
Bakuni on it no more. So this will be
I'm
the
sketching
intro.
on that now. What?
This will be the intro.
I'm making a seat and trying to pull the engine back together.
Yeah, Johnny's got his chopper here. We've been working on it.
And I'm going to hook up the kill switch too at the same time.
We've been working on it non-stop. Well, he's been working on it. And he's got it painted. He has the engine plate installed.
Chain hooked up.
Chains all hooked up. We've been working on the seat. We got to still finish that up, but it's pretty much cut out and ready. That's how it's going to look. We're going to make it look real good. He still doesn't have a hand throttle. We still got to figure out a gas tank.
I am ordering a hand throttle tonight.
He's ordering a hand throttle tonight. So
I'm buying two.
yeah. So
And a brand new Bakuni carburetor for my green mini, but I got the wreck yet.
yeah, he don't want to ride it with that other
Nope.
Bakuni on it no more. So this will be
I'm
the
sketching
intro.
on that now. What?
This will be the intro to this video. Johnny's got a new editing program he's going to try to work out, so we'll see what happens next.
I drilled the hole for the bolt where I can tie this down to here.
Right. So he's got that part made, Stouffer nut in hand,
Got the phone cut out.
got the phone cut out, got the back piece cut out. Look how nice that sits on there. Like so. And we already figured out how we're going to bolt that in the back. That's going to be his top cushion and his bottom cushion. So now all we got to do is wrap her up real tight
There.
with that stuff, and we're done.
Yep.
That's simple, right? So
And we will be back for
yeah,
that.
we'll be back shortly when we start putting her together.
Alright, everyone, back again. I got the seat done. Now I got a bolt on the bottom now. I'm gonna re-drill this hole right here.
And then you're going to strap the back, right?
Yep.
You got a piece to strap the strap onto the back, and that's
Right
gonna
here.
hold the back part down. And he will have somewhere to sit his little bone.
Yep. And I will be right back again. Hey everyone, I'm back now. Now the seat is fully mounted on my chassis of my mini chopper. I got this unfroze now.
Looks like he's going to have some brakes. Still needs some work, but it moves.
Yeah.
That's better than it was.
Solid. Alright.
Coming together.
Yep, now. Well,
Put it all back together.
yeah.
Keep working that brake till it's loose all the way, and then
Like what he said.
yeah.
Alright, we'll be right back. Welcome back. Got the seat done. Now, I got the brake working again. So it worked where I can hook up the brakes again. now
But yeah, I figured out how we can fix that
will be a part 2
suspension issue.
on this when I drive it. Comments arrive.
For like 30 bucks.
And thumb up.